Welcome back to the channel, everyone. This is Badger and Babe. Badger with you today by myself, unfortunately. Taking a ride over to see Dad. As you guys remember, he did get number 8 Harley Davidson. We're gonna go over, say hi, maybe take a ride, see what Dad is up to, maybe check in on Mom, see what she's doing. It's a little warmer today, that's for sure. I think it's like almost 70, but not very sunny out. I don't know if you can see that on the video. Not sunny at all, but hey, I'll take the warmth, that's for sure. The sun will come later. A little sporty. Anyway, thanks for checking in with us today. Hope you guys enjoy the video, and I will see you in a minute. Yeah, look good.
Look real close.
Yeah, you definitely have more red. There's more orange in mine.
Yeah, mine's a little darker.
Alright, looks good. Oh, welcome back to the channel, everyone. We're out with Dad today, taking a nice little ride. I don't know if anyone can see this giant building that's right beside me here. This is now Westmoreland RIDC Park. Basically an industrial park, bunch of different businesses in there. That used to be where Dad worked. Used to be Volkswagen. From 1979 to 1989, they made the Volkswagen Rabbit there. The Rabbit, the GTI, I can't remember what else, but I think those are the only 2 models. That thing has to be at least a mile long. Yeah, so Dad worked there from the day it opened to the day it closed. And boom, they were gone. Moved their operations. Gotta get over these railroad tracks. Ba-doop, ba-doop, ba-doop. There we go. Over all that. Like I was saying, it's warm out today. Not real sunny. There's Dad there. I don't know if you guys can see him. And it's like what? 68, almost 70 degrees, but there still seems to be like a touch of little coldness in the air. I don't know. Maybe it's just me. Maybe I'm just getting old. I don't know. But I got my vest on, wearing long sleeves. That'll help cut it down a little bit. Out for a beautiful ride with the old man here. That's all that matters. That's the most important thing. Just getting out, go ride. I was at the house this morning. Today was the day to open the pool. Try to get it ready for Memorial Day weekend. That's a task. All the pollen and stuff that falls from the air or from the trees. lands on the pool, seeps through the cover we have on top of it. Water's all green. Then you got to scrub everything off of the bottom, off of the sides. Man, this road sucks. Anyway, that took probably 3 hours to do all that, 3.5 hours. Called Dad, said, hey, I'll be over at the house in about 45 minutes. We'll go for a ride. Been meaning to get out with him all year long, all spring long, I guess I could say. Finally got the opportunity today. Plus, he's got the new bike, looks good. Says it's real comfortable for him, easy to maneuver. So instead of standing around and doing stuff at the house, I decided to hell with it, get the pool open, get your ass on the bike. That's all that matters. That's what I love to do. No sense in having a bike if it's just going to sit in the garage and look pretty all day. Nice.
Hey, how about your brake light flash before?
I don't know why it stopped doing it.
Oh, it put attention.
It used to, yeah, but I think it's the circuit board that's in there is all jacked up. I don't know if it got water in it or not. Sorry about yelling at everyone. Didn't mean that. Had to make sure Dad heard me in that conversation. But yeah, there is something wrong with my tail light. Anytime you hit the brake, the rear brake, or I guess any brake, doesn't matter, it would flash like 3 times, pause, flash 3 more, and then stay on. But doesn't do that anymore. I don't know why. I mean, it still works. It still gets bright every time I hit the brake, but for some reason now it does not flash. Probably some resistor or diode in that little board that's in there. Now you can't test it. You can't tell because it's potted all in there in the red lens, so it's not like you can sweat something in, replace it. It still works. Welcome to Mount Pleasant Borough. Dad's like looks pretty good.
Roads are bad.
Yeah, Dad said the roads are bad. He ain't kidding. That's Pennsylvania, man. I don't know what it is. I don't know if any other cold weather state has this problem. Now, potholes come spring are awful. I mean, absolutely awful. People think you're drunk just because you're weaving back and forth trying to miss all the potholes. I just want to get out of here, get on the open road. Let's go, man, let's go.
Right there is that one place on the Regional Ride car.
There you go, open range grill. Yeah, I have to stop there. Yeah, Dad was saying Reason to Ride card. That's something that our local dealership has, Z&M. You remember them, that's where Dad got the bike. Now what they do, they have a card. It has, I think, 12 restaurants on it, and it spells out Reason to Ride, something like that, 10 restaurants. I don't know. Regardless. So they sell you the card, you go and visit all the restaurants that are on the card, and you get a punch for that restaurant. You get all of them punched, and you turn your card in at the end of the season, and you're registered for a $3,000 gift card, I think that's what it is. But every restaurant that's on there, they will donate like a couple $100 to MDA. And then at the end of the year, all the proceeds from the restaurant, all of the money from the Reason to Ride cards, all that gets donated to MDA. They have a giant party at the end of the year, usually in like October, I think. No, September. I think it's like the first or second week of September. They'll have a ride or a party. Everyone shows up, have a good time. They hand out gift cards. You know, the final winner gets, you know, the $3,000 gift card. It's a lot of fun. It goes to a great organization, MDA. That's just one of the things that the dealership does to help out. Yeah, little moped, yeah, little moped. You go, moped, you go.
Is that your brake? Squeal.
Probably. Yeah, my brakes squeal. Oh, he's getting after somebody. There he goes. I don't know what he did, but he's going after him. Whoop, whoop. I'm gonna guess probably it looked like he had damaged windshield there. Either damaged windshield or tinted windows. That always gets him. Now, if you remember me talking about that MDA ride that they have, it's all of the East Coast, maybe not East Coast, but all the dealerships, at least in the area, Pennsylvania, etc., will get together and have one big rally. Usually in April, beginning of April, they have it. It's always around Babe's birthday, so that's usually what we do for her birthday weekend. We go and do that. But the last couple years, other than 2020, because of the whole pandemic and everything, they had it in our area. They had it at Seven Springs Mountain Resort, which was absolutely awesome. It was perfect for those hill climber motorcycles that they have. Anyway, it was up here in this area. That's where I'm going to take you guys now. It's just absolutely beautiful up here. A lot of the people from that aren't from the area love to ride. A lot of the local hog owners group, they would lead the rides for different people. They took them to see different things. The Flight 93 Memorial that's in Somerset. They took them to Frank Lloyd Wright's Falling Waters. And then they had some of those self-guided tours that you could do. Just load up the map into your motorcycle, and you know, it would just guide you through whatever. But as you could tell, it's absolutely beautiful up here. It really is. Let you guys just enjoy the scenery. I'll stop talking for a minute. There's one of the stores that they have. Just up here on the right, that's where the main entrance is. But you could tell, man, it's absolutely beautiful up here. And one of the things they do for this MDA ride, they take the kids, and that's what it's all about. It's about the kids, and they earn money through all the donations to send these kids to summer camp. But they invite the kids out, and they call them ambassadors. So each dealership has its own ambassador. The kids will come out, they'll have a good time. I mean, these kids are treated like absolute royalty. They love it. It is so much fun for everyone. The kids have a good time. Everyone that's there has a good time. Yeah, I think my camera stopped recording. Hey everyone, Badger here. Yeah, that video stopped recording. Don't know what happened there. I apologize. Anyway, thanks for making it to the end of the video. If you're interested in the MDA Ride for Life, please check it out. They do have a Facebook page. They also have a website. We'll have it linked below. As you know, we put out videos every Friday. Try to have it out at noon. Remember, like, subscribe, comment, share, and thanks for watching. We'll see you later.